Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to open About Phone, which is at the very top of the list. At this step, I highly recommend to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. And go to Backup and Restore. Here, let's go to Google Backups and tap on Backup, and we will be immediately transferred to this signing or creating Google account section. So just tap on Next. And if you've got your Google account added to the device and the backup was not turned on previously, probably you will see your Google account right here listed. So you can simply tap on it and choose it from the list. If not, just tap on Add Account. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Now we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can finally decide what kind of data we'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data like contacts, call history, etc. So just mark the option. I'll pick this one and tap on confirm. I mean, of course, you can pick both. It's up to you. Now let me choose other device data, and here we can check some further details, like for example how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So now we can go back, and to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and your device is now backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.